Let's get on board our Market Fatafat segment where we will quickly flag off all the big movers and shakers in trade. How can I not start off with auto? That's really the cynosure of all eyes. Take a look at Tata Motors, powering ahead very, very smartly, moving from strength to strength. Now it's up by 11% at 311 rupees. This is the first time in a long time that Tata Motors has managed to cross that triple century mark. Great move seen over there. Remember that the company yesterday announced that it registered a 94% growth in PV sales. Total sales for January were up 25% at 59,959 units in January. It's clearly giving clear signs of recovery. So that's Tata Motors for you, up and away in trade today. Another one from the large cap name is from the large cap space is Shree Cement, 7.6% higher. Remember, the company delivered quite a good set of numbers in the third quarter. But let's not forget that we also did have another impetus that came in the form of, when the government increased their spending on capex in general, cement being a key raw material for all of this. It's definitely seen some amount of traction today in trade. Okay, I want to flag off one loser in the midst of all of this. That's Pharma. The company just delivered its third quarter numbers. Clearly, the street is not very pleased with what they've seen. There's been a small uptick in revenue and an equally small uptick of around 20% in the bottom line as well. In fact, not even 20, a little under that. Revenue came in at 114 crore, PAT came in at 13.5 crore rupees. So it's been a bit small as such, but nevertheless, there has been this is a counter that's it's a small name, like I mentioned, only 100 crores in quarterly revenue. But yeah, worth flagging off that we saw a massive downtick as soon as these results were announced. Okay, well, what else is buzzing in trade? Well, I think it's worth flagging off what the other two auto companies as well are doing. Ahead of its numbers, take a look at HDFC Limited as well. It's higher by now, 5.63% in trade. Along with HDFC Limited, we are also seeing HDFC Bank rally very smartly. So these are the standout performers. HDFC Limited is 2,579 rupees. Remember that the company will be delivering its numbers as well today. So watch out for that. This is going to be an interesting one.